All for art and art for all. This video is for if you need a little bit of help with the rectangular prism form, in this case a cube, but if you need help stacking them, I want to help you see how they have to be on top, how to make them look like they're on top of each other, and how to really get that foreshortened form. So this is 2 dimensions, a square, because it has how long and it has how wide. And that's 2 dimensions. When we have a cube, we're going to foreshorten this square. So the top of this is a square, but in drawing, we foreshorten it. So let's work on that foreshortened shape. It's going to have 2 dots that are far apart and 2 dots that are closer together in the middle. And when you trace that out, you'll get a nice foreshortened square or a rhombus shape. And then the angle that's formed by the bottom here. So this is still just 2-dimensional. We want to match that. So I'm going to put a line right below it that matches the same angle. I can come straight down here in the middle and then go straight off at this same angle. If this is going up at an angle, this needs to go at an angle. If this is going up at an angle, this is going to go up parallel, which is to say not touching. And then we come straight down, straight down. So we're going to try that again. We're going to do a rhombus, 2 dots far apart. You should be drawing a couple of these with me. 2 dots close together in the middle. Connect these together. Okay. And I can come down in the center and stop. And this makes my 3rd dimension. So because I've now given this some height, I have length and width. And now I have a 3rd dimension, my height. I'm going to draw a parallel line right below, and that's going to go up at an angle. And then I can come straight down the side to meet. And this one goes up and away at the other angle. And I'm going to draw a parallel line right below it, stop at the edge, come down straight to meet it. And there's your basic cube or rectangular prism if it's not perfectly has every side the same length. So how do I stack these? So let me start with my rhombus, or that foreshortened, real squished up. We know it's a square, but what we can see of it is squished up like this diamond. So I do 1 line down, parallel. So hopefully you're drawing your 3rd cube parallel. So parallel, straight down, parallel, straight down. Now I'm going to draw a parallel below this. So I'll start here in the center and go up and past it. And go up. And I'm going to go past that point. Not too far. So I haven't gone taller than my have not gone up way out here, but I've stopped right about in the middle, and I've stopped right about in the middle of the height here. Now this is going to have the next side be parallel to this line way over here. So we're going to keep going and stop when we hit the side. And then this side is going to be parallel to this. So we'll keep going parallel and stop when we hit the side of the prism that's on top. So again, this is what makes it 3D, is we're going to make the thickness. So I'm going to come straight down and I'm going to draw a parallel below the line above and stop when I get to the edge and come straight down. Draw a parallel below and stop when I get to the edge. And then to really make it look like it's on top of another one, we're going to start here at the center, do a parallel line that keeps going a little past, and we're going to do a parallel line the other side, keeps going a little past, and I hit my place where I wrote the word 3D. And now I'm going to do the edge that's parallel to this edge, and so it's going to go this same direction. Whoop, whoop, until I hit the side. And do you see where I hit the side? It depends on how far I came out this way. But same thing here. Parallel to this. Parallel means going the same direction but never touching. And then I'm going to run out of room on my paper, so I'm just going to make the bottom level about that thick. Again, another parallel line, go over, stop near the edge, come straight down. Gonna make a parallel line right below this and come straight down. And then that should give you some help with these 3D prisms. The most important part is really squishing up a rhombus at the beginning and seeing this parallel contour below. If that goes up, this goes up. If that goes up, this goes up. And then this comes straight down, and straight down. And there's nothing wrong with doing a little cheat. 2 dots far apart, 2 dots in the center closer together until you can get that nice rhombus shape for you at the beginning. Come straight down, parallel, straight down, parallel, straight down. And this is the basis for all kinds of shapes, right? Still going to go parallel, still going to go parallel. And there's maybe the beginning of like the table. Okay, friends, I hope that helped. I hope that helped you see you really need to get away from this shape if we want a square cube. Our first shape, we have to foreshorten it. And just so you see that word, foreshorten. So there you go. I hope those are some things that can help you. Start with a square shape, foreshorten, and then you can get a 3D form. Get a 3D form. All right, I hope that helps you with your 3-dimensional work. All for art and art for all.